Marketers, if you're noticing traffic dipping, but your content and audience hasn't changed, it's probably not you. It's AI search, and it's quietly stealing your clicks. It might seem impossible to fix whatever is dragging down your email campaigns, but we have the solution. With VIB emails and the right strategy in play, you can get audiences back on your pages and reinvigorate your pipeline. Here's the situation. AI overviews and zero-click results are changing how buyers find answers to their problems. Instead of clicking through search results and reading your content, they get what they need right at the top of page 1 or within their go-to AI chatbot. And for marketers, that means fewer page visits, less content engagement, and lower ROI, even when your SEO is solid and content is strong. Great content still matters, but today, distribution is what really moves the needle. And that's where email comes into play. This marketing channel continues to be powerful. More than 80% of marketers see email as their most important B2B marketing channel. But you can't just use your old email strategies and hope for the best. You need to know how to rebuild traffic and engagement in the face of AI search dips. Introducing VIB emails, your new best friend for revamping your email strategy. It's our methodology for amplifying your current email program to drive demand to your success metrics. It works very simply. IT decision makers join our community and opt in to get emails about new opportunities in tech. Then you tell us who your ideal prospect is. You provide us your email, and we send it to our community, testing subject lines and optimizing send times for maximum reach. The result? You easily grow your brand and database on us. VIB emails alone is a powerful tool for revamping your pipeline, but we want you to thrive. For maximum success with VIB emails, we've developed this playbook for you to use to ensure your best email performance. First, make sure you're prioritizing the right assets. VIB emails gives you access to our proprietary list of engaged, opted-in tech leaders, but you want to make sure you're showing them your best messages and content that converts. Think your top offers, hero guides, live promos, and key product pages. These assets are educational, engaging, and valuable for your audience, and can get them actually interested in what you're offering. 2. Zero in on the right targets. VIB emails has powerful controls for the ICP filters, recent engagement, and suppression rules. For example, we can segment our community members by vertical, geography, title, job level, and technology, or filter by how recently someone engaged with the campaign. This ensures your emails are going to not only the right decision makers, but ones who are engaged and ready to buy. 3. Tighten up your messaging. Even if your assets are strong, there are certain best practices you can use to ensure your emails achieve maximum ROI. For example, use value-forward subject lines, single CTAs, and clear promises of what the recipient will receive to help your targets clearly understand your offer and take the right next steps. Lastly, remember that your email cadence matters. You don't just want to do a one and done, which is quickly forgotten, but you also don't want to send non-stop email blasts that exhaust your audience. This is a good rule of thumb to follow. Do 2 to 3 sends over 10 to 14 days with light variations in the emails, such as slightly different subject lines or different hooks. This is the best for grabbing attention, remaining memorable, and creating genuine interest, so your audience finally opens your emails and engages with your brand. And while you can use these best practices with any email campaign, there are a few big reasons why VIB emails is a smarter way to push your work further. 1. You can land and expand accounts quickly. With our superior database of leads, you can locate self-segmented prospects who fit your exact criteria. 2. You're able to reach warm prospects without a high budget. Forget big blasts to cold leads. With VIB emails, you pay a fixed, low fee for direct access to thousands of targeted warm inboxes. 3. You still maintain 100% control of your messaging. Just give us your best emails in HTML format, and we'll simply amplify it out to our community. 4. You don't need to worry about email hygiene or scrubbing. We take care of it all, protecting both your deliverability and, of course, your time. Marketing is changing at a breakneck pace. That doesn't mean you need to get left in the dust. If you're looking to drive traffic, promote your product, or grow event registrations through email, VIB Emails is here to amplify your current program and drive strong demand. This video is just the beginning. If you're looking for more resources, download our traffic recovery checklist, a fast step-by-step game plan to help B2B marketers regain lost traffic and engagement using dependable, realistic strategies that actually work. Thanks. See you next time.